In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Disney Plus on your Samsung Smart TV. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your remote to open the Smart Hub menu. Step 2. Open the Apps section. Use the arrow keys to navigate and select apps. You may be asked to sign in with your Samsung account. Do that if needed. Step 3. Search for Disney Plus. In the app screen, go to the search icon, magnifying glass. Type Disney Plus and select it from the search results. Step 4. Download and install. Select the Disney Plus app. Click on Install. Wait a few moments for it to finish downloading. Step 5. Open and sign in. After it installs, click Open. Sign in with your Disney Plus account and start streaming. Note: Disney Plus is available only on Samsung Smart TVs from 2016 and newer, running Tizen OS. If your TV is older, you can use a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast. Thanks for watching. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more Smart TV tutorials.